little video of the holler going up, everybody. Yeah, be very careful. I know I probably sound annoying as fuck, but if we're by falls, we might start coming to some areas with some drop-offs, like cliffs. So be very careful. We'll just enjoy this, and then we're getting 1.8 miles. We'll be probably out of this. This is a little dangerous. You got fog too.
This would help.
Yeah, I got a cliff out my side.
I know.
You're good.
That's why I'm kind of staying in the center, but
Yeah.
at the same time, it's not a good idea to stay in the center. Thank you, Lightning. That helped.
.90-degree curve here.
Can I see the babe?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Oh, Cincinnati's not that far back. Once we get to Cincinnati,
Watch it.
the hardest part's getting through this fucking mess.
.15 on this next one. This is a breakneck. Oh, that was cool. And then left. Oh, never mind.
Oh, that's why it's a breakneck. That fucking tree. You hit that tree and you're a goner. You're a goner. I'm surprised there's no crosses there.
Yeah.
No, I'm serious.
Yeah. I'm so right.
Get some drunk guy go, boom! Was he just parked there, or was he on patrol?
I don't know. then left.
This seems like a decent road. Yes, sir.